Hey, what's up guys? Arctic Arrow here. Today we are doing a macabre parrot painting today. So let's get started. I have the design in my head right now. It's gonna be kind of like your average red macaw. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's grab our scarlets. Go. And we're not going to be using any thick brushes today. We're actually just going to use our thinner brushes because we have a smaller surface area to paint today. So, I think this part's going to be better. Just get that red color in there. What's funny is it's almost Christmas and I'm doing like rainforest paintings. Hey, that's okay. I do want the tail and the wings to be a different color other than red. So we're just gonna paint around those. Just like that. And we'll have the chest red as well. Just like that. Perfect. Alright, and now let's get going with our other colors. Let's see. Let's grab our light green. This is a very non-accurate color. It's gonna be like all these different colors. And it's not gonna be a realistic macaw. Or maybe it will be, I don't know. We'll find out as we keep painting. You know what? So far it's kind of looking like Christmas colors almost because of the white and the green that I'm putting in. So it actually works out. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to grab a different thin, yet a little bit thicker brush for our wings. And they're also, as well, going to be green. Part of it, anyway. I have, like, maybe this part right here. Like, kind of like the shoulder area of the bird. Just like that. It's actually looking more like your common domestic parrot more than a macaw. Except for the shape. Other than that, it's just look like your normal everyday macaw or a parrot. It's okay. Go. Grab our thinner brush. I'm gonna have like the inside of the tail feathers like this red. Grab another thin brush. I think we could use some different colors. Let's grab a blue for the rest of, for most of the, for the wing. Also, let's go ahead and grab our deep yellow for the feet. Let's go ahead and do those feet. There we go. And we're gonna paint these teeny tiny little talons black as well here in a little bit. But for now, let's grab our blue. Actually, I think we could smooth out this green a little more, so let's smooth that out. Go, just like that. Long, smooth strokes. I wonder what the other colors are gonna be like. I mean, I like the green and the blue and stuff, but I think it just needs, well, actually, I think it's good the way it is, as far as the colors are concerned. Not gonna lie, this macaw is looking really good. I just hope I don't make any mistakes, like that one fox painting we made. Good grief. It's a very fluffy tail. I'll give that to you. Let's grab our yellow color brush and let's go ahead and paint that beak. Now, usually macaw beaks are like black and white, but you know what? Our macaw is unique and different. We have a unique macaw. Definitely unique, that's for sure. That's a good thing though. We want paintings to have character in it. We don't want any of our paintings to be bland. We don't want that. Like, could you imagine what this painting would look like if I just made the entire bird red? It would be a very different bird. It just wouldn't look good. Go. There we go, we got those little feet. Little eye, little nostril. He's looking really good, I must say. He's looking really good. Let's see, what more colors does he need? He needs more green. We need more green. He needs way more green. Way more green. So we'll have this part green right here. This guy has plenty of red, that's for sure. Oh, and we have to paint the branch. I mean, you can't have a white branch. I mean, you can, but there's no such thing as winter and rainforest, I don't think. I don't know. I mean, there's like a wet season and a dry season, but I mean, I know it's brown, but like, what definition of brown is this? Burnt umber? Interesting, okay. Alright, now to paint this branch, I am really hoping I do not make a mistake. We won't, because we have a thin brush, so this will be easier. Gotta be nice and careful around those feet. Alright. Just gonna dab it around those feet. Hey, it works out. Oh, I just noticed we didn't paint the parrot right here. We didn't paint it right there. Let's fix that. There we go. That's better. And obviously we can't leave the sky white. That's just wrong. So let's grab not a big one, but not a small brush, like happy medium brush. And let's find my sky blue. Here it is. I honestly should have done the sky first in all reality, but I didn't. Goodness, this brush is very stiff. There we go, it's softening up now. It was stiff for a while. Maybe if we wetted just a tidbit. See how that works out. There we go, that's better. I wonder if I should add some more trees in the background. Nah, we'll leave it like this. I don't want to add anything too much to it. Careful around that macaw. That was a close one. Alright. I do wonder if I should grab a thinner brush for around those like really tight squeezes like here. We're gonna grab one of our, this one right here. is a very thin brush, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Let's paint it. Actually, this worked perfect. It's like it's not too thin, but it's not too thick. Perfect. Right. Now back to our bigger brush. Okay. I think we might need a little more blue. We're gonna get more blue. In a minute. There we go. And then we're also gonna add some clouds above the parrot. That way it doesn't look like it's literally a blue background. I do think we could grab a bigger brush, maybe? I don't know. I think that would be honestly too much if we grab a bigger brush, but I do want a little more. Okay. Oh, we almost painted our poor red macaw blue almost. That was really close. That was super close. I'm glad I didn't grab a bigger brush. This is perfect. Like, it's not too big, but it's not too small. Smoothing out those areas over there. I wonder what this yellow thing hanging from our bird here is. I don't know what that is. I think that was just the simple painter's mistake. That's okay. It doesn't look too bad. It's not distracting. Like, I didn't even notice it until just now. I wonder what I should paint next. Should I do a turtle? Next time I do some painting, I'm going to try to do a turtle. That would be super fun. Do all sorts of different colors on the shell. Maybe like a Hawaiian print almost. I don't know how I could do that though. Yeah, we're going to grab our thinner brush. I can't make it through that small of a pinch. That's why it is super important to have different size brushes, because you never know when you're gonna need like a different size, and some brushes even have like different purposes than like your regular everyday brushes like this one. Like, if you think the fan brush that I use every now and then with my trees and stuff, like I did for the branches here, like that one's useful for like making trees or something or other. I mean, you can do that with other brushes, but it's just, I guess you could say, easier for that, to do that. It's kind of like if you try to do watercolor on a canvas. I mean, you can do it. I've actually never tried that before. I've never tried doing watercolor on like a canvas like this. I should though. You know what? we haven't done like a watercolor painting in like almost. Actually, I haven't done one in a while. Like the last one I did was, I don't even remember the last time I made a watercolor painting. Yeah, maybe in the next video I should do a watercolor painting. That'd be really cool. Just smooth out these areas over here. And then let's grab our thinner brush. These super thin areas over here are super hard to paint because like you don't want to accidentally get in the branches, but you want to get in there at the same time. So they're super hard to get in there. I think they're about dry, so I think you'd be okay. There we go. Oh, we accidentally got some blue on our red friend. Not good. There we go, that's better. That's much better. Okay. Okay, so I've used these before, but very rarely do I use these. So, we're gonna see how it comes out. What's this, titanium mic? Like, I hardly ever use my paint sponges. So they're just like sitting in my paint jar collecting dust. Because I usually like use my fan brush for my clouds and it doesn't, no, it just doesn't turn out well. So we're just gonna, like, I don't want too much on my brush, on my sponge. Like, is that even what this is called? Is this a sponge? I don't know. So we're gonna see how this works like a charm. Wow. Like, I could almost do this for trees as well. Wow, this actually is really good. For never using these before, this is really good. I mean, I have used these, but again, I just like hardly ever use them. Okay, wow, we're gonna have to use you more often, mister, aren't we? Yes, we are. We're gonna have to use you more often. These would be perfect for trees. I never thought of that. Like really thick trees, perfect for rainforest. Okay. Light bulb on top of my head right now. Do I have a clean one? I hope this turns out okay. We'll find out. This is actually way bigger than my other one. And almost broken. See, this actually, I mean, I love my fan brush with all my heart, but like for like thicker leaves like this works way better. Like my other one is like for pine trees and branches and stuff, but this is, wow. Okay, we have ourselves a new friend. Hello. Well, I think that turned out really good. That's beautiful. Like, for a second there, I thought it was actually going to turn into Christmas colors for a second. But, No, I mean, it is mostly Christmas colors. Oh, we missed a spot. I just noticed we missed a spot. Let's grab a little more. Don't worry, buddy. I would never forget you. I would never forget you, even though I did. Okay, you're good now. Anyways, thank you. Yes, this is a perfect opportunity to fix that weird spot. Okay. Okay, for real now. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day. Leave a like and subscribe if you like this painting, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!